Good morning, students. Let's start the class with Brahmanad. Swastham. We are reading the lesson Road Safety Week. We studied 2 paragraphs. Now we will read the next point. But before going to discuss the next point, let us recapitulate the topic with some question and answers. When is Road Safety Week organized? We have studied the Road Safety Week is organized in the month of January every year. Who observes the Road Safety Week? Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India observes the Road Safety Week with the help of some other organizations. Where is Road Safety Week observed? Road Safety Week is observed in major cities of India like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Baroda, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad and Chandigarh, etc. What are the distributed to the on-road travelers during the campaign? During the campaign, different types of educational banners, safety posters, safety films, pocket guides and leaflets are distributed to the on-road travelers. What type of efforts are made to raise public awareness? To raise public awareness, efforts are made about the traffic rules, traffic signs and cautions on the road. So this is the question and answers that we discussed, what we studied in the previous lessons. Now let us read the paragraph today. There are various important factors that may cause serious accidents resulting in fatalities. The people should be made aware of these causes of accidents. Firstly, the drunken drivers tend to drive in a rush and negligent way, often overspeeding, risking their own lives as well as the lives of others. Secondly, some underage people drive vehicles when permissible age in India for driving a private vehicle is 18 years. One can apply for a learner's license when he or she is 16 years old. In this case, age limit is prescribed for driving the private vehicles only. He or she can drive a vehicle of 50 cc engine capacity with the consent of his or her parents. For driving a commercial vehicle, a person should be of 20 years old. The exercise is aimed at reducing road accidents by making sure that only the qualified people take to the wheel. Thirdly, accidents occur when one resorts to distracted driving, which includes speaking on cell phones and texting while driving, talking to the other passengers and sometimes listening to loud music. A distracted driver risks his own life as well as the life of others. Fourthly, the habit of not using seat belts, jumping signals, or driving in a restricted lane causes casualties. Fifthly, sometimes the careless pedestrians also put others into trouble. Finally, many unsafe and poorly kept commercial vehicles run on the road, risking the life of drivers as well as others. This is the paragraph taught to you today. I would advise you to read the paragraph yourself once aloud. Now I have collected some of the difficult words for you from this paragraph. Let us discuss the meanings of difficult words here. Fatalities. From fatality it is derived. Fatalities plural form is a noun. A death resulting from an accident or a disaster. Example, there is a decrease in the number of automobile fatalities. Drunken, a person after drinking alcohol or wine. Tend, the verb, have a tendency. Example, she tends to be nervous before her speech. Prescribed, verb use, issue, commands or orders for. Example, my mother prescribes a good night's sleep as the cure of all ills. Noun form is very common to all of us, that is prescription. Prescription means what we understand, a drug that is available only with written instructions from a doctor. Consent means permission to do something. Commercial, related to business or connected with commerce or transactions. Reducing means cut down. Resort to means to make use of something bad. Distracted, verb use, disturbed or absent-minded. Texting, writing on cell phones. Casualties, deaths or accident. Okay, now you are all advised to read the paragraph silently once. Very nice. Now again look at the same paragraph. There are various important factors that may cause serious accidents resulting in fatalities. Many reasons are there which causes death. The people should be made aware of these causes of accidents. What are the causes? Why such accidents happen? People must make aware of these causes. First reason is that drunken drivers tend to drive in a rush and negligent way. Drunken drivers who had a tendency to drive their vehicles in a rush and negligent way, as they are not in control of themselves. Often overspeeding, risking their own life as well as the life of others. Overspeeding by the drunken drivers risks their own life as well as the lives of other people who are on the road. Secondly, some underage people drive vehicles when permissible age in India for driving a private vehicle is 18 years. Although permission is given to the persons whose age is over 18 years. Still, underage people means below 18, young people drive their vehicles too carelessly. You might have your own experience on the road. One can apply for a learner's license when he or she is 16 years old. When one is 16 years old, he can apply for learner's license. In this case, age limit is prescribed for driving the private vehicles only. Private vehicles only one can drive who got a learner's license. He or she can drive a vehicle of 50 cc engine capacity with the consent of his or her parents. Only those people who got the learner's license, they can drive their vehicles with 50 cc engine capacity. For driving a commercial vehicle, a person should be of 20 years old. Commercial vehicle, for vehicles run in business purpose, the drivers whose age is above more than 20 years, they can drive such commercial vehicles only. The exercise is aimed at reducing road accidents by making sure that only the qualified people take to the wheel. Here, to drive commercial vehicles, only qualified people are chosen, and they only can take the commercial vehicles on the road. Thirdly, accidents occur when one resorts to distracted driving, which includes speaking on cell phones and texting while driving. So sometimes the drivers are too careless, speaking on cell phones, they drive their vehicles, texting on cell phones while driving, talking to the other passengers in the vehicle, and sometimes listening to loud music. These are the reasons which causes serious accidents on the road. A distracted driver risks his own life as well as the life of others. A careless driver not only risks his own life but also the lives of other people on the road. Fourthly, the habit of not using seat belts, jumping signals. Sometimes the drivers do not use seat belts, and jumping signals, different signals are there on the road. They overtake, they do not care for the signals, and they drive their vehicles. This is jumping signals and driving in a restricted lane. The restricted lane means not allowed to drive in such roads. They are careless and they do not obey the rules, and they drive their vehicles, which causes many casualties or deaths. Fifthly, sometimes the careless pedestrians also put others into trouble. You might have seen the pedestrians means the persons who walk on the road create many problems on the road. They do not obey the rules. Sometimes they walk on the middle of the road, etc. So they create many problems on the road. Finally, many unsafe and poorly kept commercial vehicles run on the road, risking the life of drivers as well as others. Poorly kept commercial vehicles means they are not maintained properly, they are old and they are not permitted by the road transport. Still they run the vehicles on the road, which causes many casualties and accidents on the road. They not only risk their own life but also the life of other persons on the road. This is all about the paragraph we read today. Let us discuss some of the question and answers from this paragraph. How do drunken drivers create problems? Drunken drivers create lots of problems on the road. They drive their vehicles in rush and negligent way, and often over jumping, over speeding on the road risks not only their lives as well as the life of other people on the road. What is the permissible age for the driving private vehicles? The permissible age for driving the private vehicles is 18 years. When can one apply for learner's license? A person with 16 years of age can apply for learner's license. What should be the age of a driver for driving a commercial vehicles? For driving a commercial vehicles, a person must be above 20 years of age and must be educated. This is all about today's lesson. We'll meet you in the next class to discuss about the next points of this lesson. Thank you.